Go ahead.
Okay, so I got in here a little bit early this morning before everybody else and had some serene fabrication time. Really, I just cleaned up the shop a little bit and then got ready to start putting this suspension in. But so first thing this morning, I crawled underneath with the Fronius Transsteel 4000 Pulse, and I welded these brackets in. The rear bracket's welded from the back and the front side. This one's just welded from the back side, but I'm going to weld this front as well. But so I've got about 10 inches into the frame is another bracing plate that these tubes receive into. You can see back here. We're going to take and weld the tube to this plate, to this plate. This is 1 3/4, 3/16 wall. So it's slightly thicker than the factory frame. So it'll be good and sturdy, good enough